Today we have an English cream retriever. His name is Amigo. His family is wanting him to walk on a leash, come when called, not bite, chew on anything, not to pull on a leash, not bolt out the door, you name it. Let's see what he can do today. Amigo, come. Go ahead, sit. Good. Amigo, please. Go ahead, sit. Amigo, please. Sit. Good. Down. Amigo. Hey, place. Amigo. Sit. Amigo, come. Go ahead, sit. Down. Good. Amigo, go. Good. Amigo. You saw what he can do. See his transformation from day 1 to day 14 on Facebook and YouTube. Have a nice day.
talking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me.